Hi everyone! In one of our videos, we assembled an incubator to grow little quails. Many of you asked how the baby birds were doing, if it was a success. And today, we can finally show them! Quail hatchlings are so adorable! But more than that, they are incredible creatures. It's interesting to know that quail hatchlings come out of the egg well-formed, and they can leave the nest and follow their parents soon after birth. Not many babies can do that. Quails can fly a short distance, but they spend most of their time on the ground. And still, quails have been to space! They were the first Earth beings born in a space station. Perhaps you've wondered how baby birds can breathe inside their egg. They have no problems with that, because the eggshell has several thousand pores able to let the air through. And when the baby bird finally hatches, it comes out wet and able to see. Speaking about eyesight, quails and almost all other birds have full color vision, which means they can see all of the colors. And they also dream, just like us. Do you think all baby birds look alike? Even if you answered yes, know that quails can make out over 100 faces among their fellow birds. You're probably wondering if it's possible to become friends with a baby bird. They say that it's possible. Baby birds can get used to the presence of a human, follow them, and consider them their friend. I think I'll get the chance to see if it's true. Well, guys, since Sam and I have baby quails now, we need to get our house ready for them.
But won't our house suit them the way it is?
No, Sammy. Baby birds need special care so that they could grow into beautiful and healthy quails.
What will they need?
Well, of course, food, water, and also special light.
Light too? How do you know all that, Susie?
Oh, Sam, you were at the farm with me where they were telling us all about that. Weren't you listening?
I was, but forgot.
Sammy. Guys, have you ever seen baby birds in real life? Do you like them? Pause the video and please share your experience in the comments. So let's get started. We already have food for them, but we need to make a special feeder so that the baby birds can eat when they need to. We'll need a large plastic bottle for the feeder, like this. I'll cut it in half. Guys, be very careful with the knife. Better ask an adult to help you with this. And the next step.
What's the next step?
We need to cut round openings along the bottle's diameter.
Oh, go ahead, cut, and I'll be back in a moment. Oh, right. I had it around here somewhere. Yes. Oh, yes! Of course.
Here what? Do you want to treat me to sprinkles?
Not you, the baby birds.
Oh, no, Sammy. Baby birds only eat special food. I'll pour it into the feeder like this. And close the lid. Done!
Oh, eating, looking happy, so cute.
Yeah.
Wait, what about water?
I bought a special drinking bowl for that.
Wow, let me take a closer look. Awesome.
Let's see if the baby birds like it.
Right, they have food and water water, but what about light?
Here! This jar will help us create an ideal light source for the baby birds. I'll also need an ordinary bulb.
Susie, is everything okay with this lid?
Yes, Sammy. I did that on purpose. I'll let the bulb wire through this opening. And then place the bulb into the jar. And done!
Oh, what a cozy, warm light.
Oh, the baby quails agree.
Are we going to wait now?
Yes! Let's see if we can grow quails at home. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
It would be great if you could share this video with your friends.